Kiddo, it's time for bed now. Okay, Mommy, I will. Love you. Okay, Mom. That's a suspicious man. Huh, weird. Let's go to bed.
Help! You mind if I stay with you?
Huh? What? Hit me for young. What do you want? I want to stay with you, though. I don't even know who you are, okay?
Can I just please stay with you? Come on.
Okay, but watch my kid, okay?
Okay, I will watch your kid. Let's go.
Make sure you keep an eye on her.
Okay, I will.
Good night. Oh, hi there.
Do you want to go on the stove for me?
Oh, the stove? Sure.
Whoa.
I can't get in the stove.
We'll try. Little girl, person, thing. Little, yeah. Okay, great. Now we cook.
What is all that noise? Oh my God. That's so weird. My dog. Wow. Oh my God! My baby's being cooked! What the heck were you expecting to do?
I watched your kid, so I cooked her, and I watched her while I did that. Oh, you're so stupid.
I hate you. Leave. Leave, I said.
Okay.
I love you. What? What does he want? Ow! I broke my back. My feathers!
I loved her. Now she's gone. Forever. My love.
He's like, yeah, my gosh. My dog.
He's gone.
Yeah. But my children is dead. My child.
She misses me. I must return. I'm coming, my beloved.
Get away from me out of my whole life.
You killed my giant.
Yeah.
You cooked her. Now she's a turkey. Well, not a turkey, but a delicious meal. Well, not delicious.
What if you just eat her? What if you just eat her?
I don't want to do that.
I'm not gonna do that to my own child. Would you eat your own mother?
I don't want to be a cannibal.
Well, bye. I'll return one day.
Let's hope not. 1 year later.
First day to come back after that. 1 year. We're trying. Excuse me.
Huh? What do you want?
Do you remember me?
Yeah, the one who killed my kid.
Do you still have her?
Yeah, she's still in my stove. What do you think?
You can give her to me. I know a doctor that maybe might be able to help her.
A doctor? She looks dead.
No, he heals burns.
Okay, I will.
Here's my kid.
Oh, she fell. Thank you so. Thank you so much. I'll see if the doctor maybe can help her.
Let me bring her to a doctor. I hope I can find one. Let me see.
Dr. Shang!
Dr. Shang! Where are you? Got a lost child here. Dead one.
I think she's dead.
Here we go.
I'm a doctor.
You're a midget, though.
You got me.
I am the real doctor. Now, what's the problem here? Get out of here! I sure get out of here! like a child. Well, typically, I was babysitting one, and I told her to go in the stove. What? What the hell's wrong with this man? He doesn't know what he was doing with his life. Well, the only thing I can help you is I have to use her for medical cares, take tests on her, maybe drug tests, see how her are. I see that she has burns on herself, and a lot of problems.
Lots of problems, I may say. Oh, yes, a lot of problems, yes.
Hey, get out of here. Get out of here.
I like problems. I will help you with your problems, little child.
Get out of here.
I'm still here.
I ate her to death.
No, don't
That's
get
not
all
good.
squishy.
I hope they get safe. I hope my daughter comes alive. Oh, God.
Is she okay? Does she need the doctor too?
No, I don't know who the heck she is. Oh,
But I love her.
But I do like her. She's nice.
And beautiful.
Okay. Yes, and beautiful. So, we'll take care.
Do. Doing surgery like a boss. Do. Surgery. Do like a boss. Have no idea what I'm doing, but I know it's surgery. Do.
Oh, is she almost done? Yep, she's done. She's done all right. Okay, let her sleep over the night, and she'll be perfect.
I'm alive.
No, we can't. No.
Hey, I guess. Oh.
I will bring her home then.
Well, thanks. Do I need to pay? No, it's okay. Don't mind. Oh, I can't wait to see
See my mommy again. Ah, to be so nice.
my baby.
Well, yeah, but you're welcome.
Oh, thanks. What? I don't know how to pay you.
No need, except for this one thing. Will you marry me?
That's the most sweetest and nicest thing I've ever heard. Yes. Ew, gross. It's love, my daughter.
And mine too. I love you. Well, nighttime.
Yes. It's so nice having a man around here. Jeez, he's just disgusting. He gives me the nerves. I have nightmares tonight, people. I am. Serious. Mom, I'm gonna have nightmares about this man.
Bird, dude, thingy, man. Whatever he is.
Whatever the heck this man thinks he is. Oh, good night. Good night. Thank you guys for watching, and leave a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, LPS lovers. Mwah, mwah. I love you all. Bye-bye.